tax season again, and people are thinking about filing their returns. I've heard many use the terms deduction and credit interchangeably, and they just aren't. I'm Mitch Hockenbury, and I'm going to explain the difference between a tax deduction and a tax credit in plain English. As with all financial terms, words matter. Today I'm going to explain the difference between a tax deduction and a tax credit. Spoiler alert, tax credit is better. A tax deduction lowers the amount of taxes you owe simply by lowering your taxable income. The deduction is simply worth the amount of your effective tax rate. So here's an example. If you have a $2,000 deduction and your effective tax rate is 22%, then your deduction is worth $440. That's $2,000 times the 22% equals $440. A tax credit, though, is a dollar for dollar lowering of the taxes you owe. Here's an example. If you qualify for the child care tax care credit of $2,000 and your tax liability is $2,000, then you reduced your taxes dollar for dollar to zero. Clearly, the $2,000 credit is worth much more than the $2,000 tax deduction using the previous examples, $2,000 versus $440. Another way to compare is to get the same tax benefit of the $2,000 credit, you would need $9,090 in itemized deductions to get the same level of lowered taxes as the credit. Think $2,000 divided by 22% equals $9,090. Finally, if you're still having a hard time remembering, think of it this way. You have earned income of $50,000 and you have a $2,000 deduction. You are lowering your earned income from $50,000 to $48,000. You deducted $2,000 from the earned income. Now you are taxed only on the $48,000 versus the $50,000. I mean, sure, your taxes are lower, but not $2,000 lower. I hope this clears it up for you. I have more information in the resources section under this same video at my official site of personalfinancemadeclear.com. So be sure to head over there afterwards. I'll even put the tax problem that I just went over on the site, and I'm going to put it so you can see it and read it. Lastly, please consider subscribing to the Personal Finance Made Clear YouTube channel, as it truly helps. Thanks for watching.